Hmm. People are joining. Nice. Okay. Hmm. Awaiting more people. Join in. Okay. Hello, everyone. Okay. What's going on? So, firstly, hi. Hello, everyone. How has the quarantine time been with everyone? Hope good. So, I am your host for today, Priyanshu Jha, being an ex journalist, and for today, I'm just your host. Okay, so welcome to Trink Talks with your favorite celebrities. And today, we are going to have a fun conversation about fitness, yoga, and even some food. It's not always about fitness and yoga, we need food also, and especially in these times, so it's obvious. And there's a amazing celebrity that's gonna join us soon, and you have seen her in a lot of television shows, a lot of movies, and recent being Divya Drishti, Piyal Bela, and one of the favorite shows, Kasauti Zindagi Ki. She is none other than Parul Chaudhary, the amazing human. Okay, wait, I'm gonna get her joined in right away. Soon she is joining. Hold on. Hi, Parul. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am too good. See, I mean, you look so amazing. How?
Look,
How?
thank
I
you,
mean, my
first of
question
all.
is always how.
Look at you. Look at
Me,
you,
you
pretty
see?
one.
You see me? I've gained so much of weight, and look at you, still so amazing. I mean, I love your figure. I love your physique. Please, please, give me
Priyanshu
some
Bus.
tips. नहीं नहीं बस नहीं
So,
होता मुझसे.
so first of all, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I even during the lockdown, at least I've tried my best to keep
Hmm.
to stay on a routine, at least
Right.
to keep my fitness routine in place.
Hmm.
Because it was important. I think I was the only one who was not binge watching shows, who was not like sleeping at some 3 a.m. I was still waking up
Hmm.
on time. I was still following my schedule because once after the initial 10 days, we figured that it's going to be a long lockdown. It's going to be like a.
Right.
So I thought might as well, as it is, I've been working continuously, Pranchi,
Hmm.
before the Vidrishti, there was Piyal Vela, and before
Piyal Bela
Piyal
and
Vela,
the
there was
recent
Ek
one
Tha Raja Ek Thi
Kasauti
Rani. So,
Zindagi Ki.
see, so there's been like a non-stop work. I've been continuously working. So,
Right.
how much ever I tried to fit in my
Hmm.
fitness routine, with all of that, it wasn't really happening. So this time I decided that, I had to be fitter, and I just set my own mini goals. And I just thought that, yeah, let's just use this lockdown to become a better version of me.
And we see the best version of you, not just a better one. We see the best one,
Aww.
Parul. So, what is the mantra? I mean, we see your Instagram posts. You love yoga a lot. And today we are going to have a conversation about fitness and, skincare also. Because being an actor, you guys have to apply a lot of makeup. And after that, it somewhere,
Yeah.
spoils your skin and that heat to your hair. So, it damages a lot. So, what has been your mantra? I mean, firstly, I need to know your fitness mantra, the yoga, how it started.
Well, पहली बात तो I think I believe fitness is so important.
Hmm.
Uh, like they say, your real wealth is your health. आई
Right.
थिंक आप आपके पास कितना भी कुछ भी हो, आप के पास अगर हेल्थ नहीं है और आप उसको एंजॉय नहीं कर सकते, सो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट. सो आई
Hmm.
थिंक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी हेल्दी. एंड बाय हेल्दी, नाउ प्रियांशु, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आस्क मी, आप कितना डाइट करते हो, आप कुछ खाते हो कि नहीं खाते. सो आई टेल देम दैट लिसन, इट्स I eat, and it's important for everyone to eat. It's when you eat
Right.
and what you eat that's important.
Right.
So
Right.
people confuse fitness, मतलब बहुत गलत लोगों के मन में नॉर्म्स हैं, फिटनेस को लेकर.
Hmm.
तो
Hmm.
और ना ही फिटनेस इज अबाउट योर वेट. सम पीपल आर जस्ट वेरी हेवीली बिल्ट, सम पीपल आर पेटीट, सम पीपल, we've all got different body types, different genetics. So it also depends on
Hmm.
that. अब अगर मैं किसी को आइडलाइज करूं तो जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं वो बन सकती हूँ. So,
Right.
we've all got our own body type. So, first of all, Priyanshu, I think it's very, very important to love yourself, to love who
True.
you are, you know. And,
True.
once you get into that zone that this is me and this is who you are and this is my body type and this is what you can do, I think
Hmm.
things get very, very easy.
Hmm.
और जहां तक योगा की बात है, मुझे तो लगता है प्रांशु, there's nothing better than योगा. मतलब योगा, एक तो ऑफ कोर्स आप आसन कर रहे हैं तो आपका फुल बॉडी वर्कआउट हो रहा है, तो इट्स कीपिंग यू फिट. बट योगा,
Hmm.
unlike any other workout, be it a gym workout or be it any other form of workout that you're doing, it's also internally cleansing you. It's throwing out the toxins. Okay. Now every asana that you do massages your internal organs, right? So
Hmm.
it's massaging your internal organs. It's just it's giving more strength to your tummy. It's improving your posture. It's strengthening your back. It's legs. It's giving you shoulder strength. So there's so much that is happening along with achieving like a good body. So and of course, क्योंकि जब आप योगा करते हैं, जब आप उस रूटीन में घुस जाते हैं, तो उसके साथ साथ प्रांशु आप खाना भी उसी तरीके से करने
उसी
लगते
का.
हैं.
Right.
You
Right.
got to take care of your food.
Hmm.
So now the whole principle of yoga is सूर्योदय के साथ उठना और सूर्य
Hmm.
नमस्कार करना, और सूर्यास्त के साथ साथ, सनसेट के साथ साथ आपकी बॉडी, मतलब आपकी बॉडी एक फुल एनर्जी मोड पर रहती है सुबह सुबह. When you wake up early, because the sun rises
Hmm.
and your body is like the sun. Okay, so
Right.
it's full energy. So you start, and as soon as the day is ending, as we are drawing towards the evening, now what happens, our system also slows down. पर हम लोगों के साथ
Hmm.
क्या होता है ना, जब हमारा सिस्टम स्लो डाउन हो रहा होता है, हम उसमें खाना ठूस रहे होते हैं.
सही.
ओके, मतलब योगा के साथ
बिल्कुल.
उल्टा होता है. आप सुबह खाइए, आप अच्छा खाइए, आप खूब ब्रेकफास्ट कीजिए, आपको जो खाना है ब्रेकफास्ट में खाइए, आप पूरे दिन अच्छा खाइए. बट जैसे जैसे दिन टुवर्ड्स क्लोजिंग ड्रॉ होता है, उसके उस वक्त आपको अपना खाना कम कर देना है, और आपको
Hmm.
कच्चा खाना अवॉइड करना है. मतलब जो भी खाना इज डिफिकल्ट टू डाइजेस्ट, प्रियांशु. Now,
Hmm.
obviously, cooked food is easy to digest as compared to raw food, right? So,
Right.
things like that. So, yogis follow
Hmm.
this whole principle. Like, I don't eat anything raw towards the evening,
Hmm.
because, it's आपका system. मतलब कहते हैं योगा में कि जो आपकी अग्नि होती है पेट में, जो आपका डाइजेशन को हेल्प कर रही है, वो अग्नि
Hmm.
मंद हो जाती है. सूर्योदय के साथ
Right.
वो अग्नि बंद हो जाती है. तो फिर
Right.
आप जो भी अपने पेट में रख रहे हैं, वो बस रखा ही हुआ है, उसका
Hmm.
कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. इट्स नॉट गिविंग यू एनी बेनिफिट. उल्टा आपके डाइजेशन सिस्टम को इतना स्ट्रेस दे रहा है वो, कि
Hmm.
you kind of struggle, and then people wake up with acidity, and people wake up not feeling well or feeling too full. रात को उस वजह से नींद भी नहीं आती. So it's
Hmm.
very important to finish your meal at a particular time, and then giving it
Time.
like your body time to rest time, and then going to sleep. But हमारे साथ क्या होता है, हम आते हैं भागे भागे ऑफिस से, हम खूब सारा खाना खाते हैं और हम सो जाते
Right.
हैं,
सो
which
जाते
is
हैं.
wrong.
Absolutely.
So,
Yeah.
and Pranshu, see, these are the things we've been doing for years. तो मैं ये नहीं
Right.
कहूंगी कि एक दिन में कोई चेंज कर सकता है,
Change.
बट See, I have done it. I mean, you know our shooting schedules. We've got like 12-hour
Absolutely.
shifts,
Yeah.
right? हम लोग जब तक घर पहुंचते हैं तब तक रात के 11 बज रहे होते हैं. But
एंड
then,
उसके बाद कोई स्ट्रेंथ
I
नहीं
tried
बची
कि
होती कि आप कुछ करोगे.
ना ना. तो मैंने क्या किया है, प्रियांशु, जो मुझे देखकर बहुत सारे एक्टर्स ने इनकॉर्पोरेट किया अपने लाइफस्टाइल में, which is so 7 o'clock we have that nashta break on our sets. Remember that
I know.
nashta break
I
where
know.
everybody is
Yeah.
eating that oily nashta. So I carry
I
my
still
food. I
love that.
carry
I
my
still
dinner,
remember that, you know.
and I eat. You do?
Yeah,
So
absolutely. I used
yeah,
to
I
eat
eat my
there.
dinner early. मतलब अब भी. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So yeah,
I've
that's
loved the
that's
set
another
food.
habit I've incorporated of eating my dinner early.
Mhm.
Yeah, I know who doesn't. Like even I used to cheat sometimes, when that super yummy
But that,
bhajia
that
used to
that
come
doesn't
and you are
seem.
like, oh God, bhajia की smell आ रही है.
नहीं, बट वो लगता नहीं है आपके बॉडी में कहीं से भी ऐसा असर नहीं हुआ है उस खाने का, लगता है मुझे. वैसे पारुल, ये टाइम, क्वारंटीन का जो टाइम रहा है, बहुत सारे मतलब जिम्स बंद रहे हैं, सब लोग जो वर्कआउट फ्रीक
हाँ
होते
जी,
हैं उनके लिए बहुत ज्यादा
हाँ
डिफिकल्ट
जी,
टाइम हो गया, जहां वो वर्कआउट नहीं कर पा रहे. और ऑब्वियसली बात है, इतना
हाँ,
लेजी टाइम हो गया कि सब है ना, सब ऐसे हो गए कि नहीं छोड़ो, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, अभी तो खाना एंजॉय करते हैं. एंड अनलाइक मी एंड अदर्स ऑल्सो, वी
हाँ.
जस्ट पुट ऑन वेट. So can you like tell us one or two yoga asanas जिससे हम मतलब लेजी भी रहें और थोड़ा मतलब वेट भी पुट ऑफ कर लें? कोई ऐसे आसन है जो मतलब फुल बॉडी पे वर्कआउट करे?
I think Priyanshu, see, my most favorite asana and the most
हम्म.
effective asana in yoga is Surya Namaskar. क्योंकि
Okay.
अब ये आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितने सूर्य नमस्कार कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि एक सूर्य नमस्कार में 12 आसन होते हैं, 12.
हम्म.
तो अगर आप एक सूर्य नमस्कार कर रहे हो, पहली बात तो आप अपने सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स पर वर्क कर रहे हो, बिकॉज इट्स वर्किंग ऑन योर बैक, इट्स वर्किंग ऑन योर नेक, शोल्डर्स, आर्म्स, tummy, your hips, your legs. It's working on Surya Namaskar. I feel it's my most favorite asana. I do it every day. And of course, I've been trying to push it and do more and more Surya Namaskars. So, yeah. And by the way, I made my own record of 253 Surya Namaskars in 46
My
minutes.
God,
So
I
that's
guess
what
मैं
I
पूरे वो
achieved.
शायद, I guess I wouldn't be able to do it in the complete 1 month also. So I should forget that I'm gonna lose weight.
No, of course not,
Okay,
Priyanshu. It's
so
all here.
और
See, it's all here. And क्या कह रहे हो आप?
नहीं, मैं वही मतलब पूछ रही हूँ कि ऐसे एक्सरसाइजेस हम लेजी लोगों के लिए बताएं, जिससे मतलब सूर्य नमस्कार के अलावा और क्या हम कर सकते हैं जो कहीं से तो वर्कआउट हो हमारे ऊपर.
Well, Pranshu, especially for you guys and all you guys who've been working from home and who've been
हम्म.
sitting on their laptops like all day long,
राइट.
and I think 70-80% people have back issues nowadays. People have
ट्रू.
cervical or spondylitis because you are only sitting in front of that laptop. So I think
हम्म.
everyone should practice some kind of back bending asan. It could be as simple as Bhujangasana, Priyanshu, because Bhujang Asana is very simple. I think I'll try and show
हाँ,
you if
yeah, I
I
mean that's
can.
what we.
So, Priyanshu, Bhujang Asana is nothing. You're just lying and you're coming up and you're just back bending, okay? You're just like
Okay.
back bending and you're just like, so Bhujang is cobra pose. So whoever doesn't
Okay.
understand Bhujang Asana, it's cobra pose. So you just
Cobra
lie
pose.
and you breathe in and you just stay comfortable wherever you are, and you practice this like a
हम्म.
couple of times. So Bhujangasana is
हम्म.
one asana that I think everyone should practice. It's very, very simple to do,
हम्म.
and so I highly recommend
What
it.
are the
And
benefits
I
for
think
this? Can
even
you tell us? I mean.
it strengthens your back.
Hmm.
Okay, so it really strengthens your back. It also cures cervical. It helps people who are suffering from thyroid. Again, a very, very common lifestyle disease that most of us
Right.
are facing. And so it's a overall back strengthening asana. So it strengthens your back. So
Hmm.
next time, if you have long hours of sitting, if you have long hours of like even on the set, sometimes you end up waiting for so long and you're sitting on those plastic chairs, and a lot of actors complain of a backache. So
Hmm.
it's simple, it's a back bend, and strengthening your back is what Bhujangasana does.
So
So,
that
and
is
of course,
probably.
uh,
Hmm. No, so that I'm saying that is gonna be helpful probably for everyone because in today's time,
yeah,
maximum of the people are
everyone.
sitting and working.
Everyone.
Right.
And Pranshu, dusra, to everyone is very stressed. Okay.
Yeah.
So, in fact, I hear a lot of people like I have. So, I chat a lot with my fans. Okay. So, we
Hmm.
chat a lot. And, a lot of them are very, very young. I mean, they could be like 13, 14, 12. And they message me that, I'm depressed and I'm going through depression
My God.
and I'm like, dude, you are too young. Like, I didn't even know the meaning of the word depression when I was
Depression,
your age.
right?
So
I
I
mean,
think that's the kind of, yeah, that's the kind of stress people are going through. So I also feel that it's very important for everyone, Pranchu, to take out 5-10 minutes in your schedule and
hmm.
probably just kind of begin meditation or practice meditation. I
Right.
think it's very important. I mean, all you could do is just like plug in your favorite music, some calming music, do a pranayam. You just have to like, get into a sukhasana or a vajrasan or a padmasan, whatever's comfortable, and you could just
Hmm.
close your eyes and just plug in some good music and just disconnect and just breathe in and breathe out.
Hmm.
I mean, meditation is not everyone's cup of tea because
But,
you've got constant
right.
thoughts coming in
Thoughts
but
in the
of
mind.
course,
True.
somewhere we need to begin and somewhere we need to start. And we really need it because it's very, very important to have a calm mind. And it's very
True.
important to have a calm mind, uh, also because your whole body is connected to your mind. Now, if you're not thinking right, if you're not calm, if you're eating under stress, a lot of people eat under stress. If they are stressed, they
Hmm.
would eat, they would binge, because a lot of people tell me, oh, I'm really stressed. And they're eating. So I think all of it is also connected to your head. So yeah, I mean, we give ourselves reasons to eat. So, but
Yeah, that's what I think.
yeah, so
Stress is
it's
also a
it's
reason to
important
eat.
to.
Everything has become a reason to eat, probably. Okay, so Parul,
Yeah,
next, I mean,
so
you've told about the fitness, yoga, and a lot of things, and you are one human, I mean, who takes out time for everything that makes you healthy. That we've seen, like, apart from the 12
yeah,
hours shooting schedule, we've always seen that you've maintained yourself in every way. Not just with the physique
thank
and
you.
figure, you have also maintained your hair, your skin. Wherein it's really difficult for actors to be doing this. I mean, in 12 hours, at least you do the touch up and makeup for at least 4 to 5
Yeah,
times, at least minimum.
yeah,
And the
yeah,
chemicals
true,
used, even if you use the most expensive brands, still it is makeup, it's a chemical. And then heating up
true.
your hair and everything. How do you manage all that? I mean, how do you take care of yourself? What is your skincare routine?
I think, Pranchu, again, I would really stress on eating right is so important. Like people say, oh, we should go for cleanups and facials, and I mean, they spend so much money going out to these people, and but actually, it's about what you're eating. If you're eating healthy, if your system stays clean, if your system stays good, it shows on your skin. Like people say, oh, you're
Right.
glowing. So all that glow is
Right.
actually internal glow. I mean, you
Hmm.
could go to a salon, you could go to a good dermatologist, and probably that glow could last for a day or two. But that internal glow, that
Right.
actual natural glow, comes from eating right.
Hmm.
So I, of course, try and eat right. I try and eat healthy. I include a lot of water, a lot of fresh fruits, a lot of salad in my diet, even on regular shoot days. So I carry all my food from home.
Hmm.
And I think taking care of your skin and hair again is important. I try and get into a oiling routine whenever I can. I oil my hair. I try and avoid too much, actual treatment with my own hair, Pranchu. I try and use hair wigs instead of, using my own hair every day
Own
because it
hair.
will completely get ruined. So,
Hmm.
second thing, and of course, people who really do use their own hair, then it's very, very important to treat that hair. It's important that
Hmm.
you go for a hair spa, you treat it right, you oil it, you make sure that it doesn't go too dry, because as soon as your hair will go dry, it will go brittle and it will break, right?
Hmm.
So, and as far as skin goes, Pranju, like I was telling somebody the other day that, an actor or especially me, how much ever tired I am after a long day.
Hmm.
Sometimes you just want to come home and you want to just sleep. But,
Right.
it's so important to get that makeup off and to have like a absolute clean skin. One, it does give you happiness, taking all that makeup off and that skin which says, thank
Absolutely.
you, I am finally breathing. So, I think it's very important. So, a good cleansing routine and using
Hmm.
chemical-free products is very, very important. I try and keep it as
Right.
natural as possible, Pranju. I don't indulge into too many treatments or too much of cosmetics or too much of this. I don't get into that whole, I want to try this. Oh, let me try this. Oh, she's talking about this or she's doing this. So I think
Hmm.
you ultimately know what your skin wants, and your skin actually speaks to you. So you know that your skin, this suits your skin or this doesn't suit your skin. So yeah, it's important taking care of your skin. So eating right, and then the post care of how you remove your makeup, and your night routine of cleansing, toning, moisturizing is very important. It's very important to keep your skin moisturized. Otherwise, it will go dry, and you'll have issues of wrinkles and a lot of other things. Pigmentation happens when your skin is too dry. So it's very important that you keep it hydrated, that you keep drinking water or nimbu pani,
Hmm.
or, vitamin C, Pranchi, is very important. Now, in this whole lockdown thing, people have realized the importance of vitamin C, and
Right.
everybody's been talking about vitamin C, but I've been taking vitamin C for many, many, many years now. I make it a point that I take my dose of vitamin C daily, because I know it's a water soluble vitamin, that how much ever
Hmm.
I eat, it's going to, get out of my body through sweat or through urine. So, it's very important to take that extra dose of vitamin C, because it doesn't stay in your body. So yeah, I
Right.
mean, a few of these things I believe in doing, and I just try and keep it healthy.
No, I mean, hats off to you. There must be many people who must be getting jealous of you and your routine actually. How do you manage? How? I mean, it's a big question that I would always have in my head, you know. Even while you used to shoot for 12 hours, still you were the same. Like with that lean body. And today, when everyone is, getting annoyed about gaining weight, gyms aren't working, they have reasons. Basically, they have reasons, I would say. Even I have a reason, gym is not working, so I cannot go out to the gym, I cannot work out. But eventually, it is about us. How do we take care of ourselves is very important.
Yeah,
And you
yeah,
do
true.
that. So, I mean, see, there are a lot of people messaging. Let's see if anyone has any
Yeah, yeah,
questions.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Hi, everyone. So I've been trying to read the messages, but
Right, but we
hi.
had a continuous conversation,
Yeah,
so we
we
couldn't
we
go through
got
all
into.
this. So, people shoot up with your questions if you want to know anything about fitness, yoga, then skincare routines. Any personal questions like किसी को ख्याल रखने अपने स्किन की किसी वे में पूछो.
Hi.
That's
Everyone's
all it
saying
is.
hi, hello, hi. And Kaushal, I did see you. So Priyanshu, Kaushal is one of he's like a huge fan, and he's one person who comments on every picture of mine and every story of
Oh,
mine, and his comments are like itte
wow.
bade bade. Okay, so he
My
doesn't
God.
miss.
Hi, Kaushal.
Thanks for yoga and skincare tips. You're most welcome. I just hope thanks मत कहो, उनको use भी करो, and let me know how the result.
Uh,
Skin hydrated and glowing. Well, I just said
so
that it's
sorry. There was.
important to eat healthy, and it's important to drink lots of water, and it's important to work out. So yeah. Someone's asking me about
What's
Big Boss. See, Kaushal is
next?
here. Hi, Kaushal. Big Boss, I don't think is my cup of tea. Yeah, Priyanshu knows me. I'm just not the controversy kid. So I think, Priyanshu, what
नहीं,
will happen if I go to
पारुल को
Big
कौन?
Boss? You tell me. You tell me. What will happen if I go to
Dude,
Big
I
Boss?
mean,
You tell
if
me.
you go to Big Boss, you'll be doing yoga in the side, in one corner, you'll have your yoga mat, you'll be cooking new things and healthy things. I know this is gonna happen with you. For sure. और आपको ना कोई मतलब बोलता है ना कि वो हम अपने ध्यान में बिजी हैं, किसी से कोई लेना देना नहीं होगा. You will take care. I mean, you'll take care of kitchen for surely. You'll be the first person to say, हाँ प्लीज मुझे किचन के टास्क दे दो, किचन का काम मुझे दे दो. I'll make healthy food. No one should gain weight here. So
Yeah,
this is
true,
gonna be
true.
Parul for surely. I mean, seriously, for sure.
You
So
prefer
Big
tea,
Boss के बारे
coffee, or green tea? Someone's asking, Priyanshu, do I prefer tea, coffee, or green tea? Well, I'm not so much of a green tea person, and I've spoken to a lot of doctors about green tea. Priyanshu, remember in between, a lot of people were having just green tea, and they were having like a
में.
lot of green tea. Now, a lot of doctors have told me that too much green tea uh, is not good for you, especially women. I mean, it actually weakens your bones and also it thins your blood. It's a blood thinner. So I think probably a cup of green tea is great. And plus, see, now this whole green tea and this, it I think mostly comes from China and that whole region, right? Now their weather is completely different, and their genes are completely different. So it's not like I could just copy someone who stays in a totally different weather and who has completely different genetics. So I think green tea is good, but I think stick to just 1 cup a day. Otherwise, I am a complete tea person. I don't miss my morning and evening chai. So वो तो मुझे पीनी ही होती है. मतलब मैं बहुत बार ट्राई करती हूँ कि मैं अपनी इवनिंग चाय किसी तरह कट कर दूं, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ एक्स्ट्रा चस्का दैट
Just
आई हैव.
habit,
बट
habit.
हाँ, हैबिट स्पेशली यार ऑल ऑफ अस इंडियंस, वो शाम की चाय तो मतलब एक रूटीन होता
चाय
है.
दे दो बस.
तो
नहीं,
हाँ, तो
और
आई एम
हेडेक हो जाए, चाय लाओ. चाय चाय नहीं पीऊंगी तब तक हेडेक ठीक नहीं होना मेरा.
हाँ,
वो होता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
वैसे पारुल, फिटनेस और ये सब की तो बातें हो गई, लेकिन हम आपके हमेशा यूट्यूब पे और आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे खाने भी बहुत ज्यादा देखते हैं. तो ये मिक्सचर क्या है? मतलब एक तरफ आप फिटनेस भी दिखा रही हैं, एक तरफ इतने खाने भी दिखा रही हैं. मतलब क्या करना क्या चाहती है? वजन बढ़ाना चाहती
देखो
है या
देखो
घटाना
मेरा
चाहती है?
देखो मेरा तो सिंपल फंडा है कि आप अपनी लाइफ एंजॉय करो. मैं तो नहीं कह रही कि मत खाओ. आई टेल एवरीवन कि आप खाओ, बट
हम्म.
लाइक आई सेड कि जो आप खा रहे हो उसका ध्यान रखो. कब खा रहे हो, दैट इज मोस्ट मोस्ट
हम्म.
इम्पोर्टेंट. So, see now, whenever I'm binging or whenever I'm eating out or whenever I'm eating extra calories, I make sure that I burn it. क्योंकि एक
राइट.
बार आप उसको accumulate करते रहोगे, फिर वो उतना ही डिफिकल्ट भी हो जाता है, टू लूज.
हम्म.
सो आई थिंक इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. आप लोग खाइए, एंजॉय कीजिए. देयर इज जस्ट वन लाइफ, प्रांशु. आई मीन,
ट्रू.
आई लव फूड एंड आई लव मीठा. सो आई थिंक वी शुड ऑल ईट, वी शुड ऑल एंजॉय. एंड हम लोगों के लिए क्या है, मतलब सी, we've got our festivals coming. We've got
राइट.
food is like a stress buster, right? Like it's a stress
ट्रू.
buster in a good way. So I think everyone should eat, enjoy what they're eating, and just burn it out, I feel. So
यू नो,
अगर बताओ.
ड्यूरिंग दिस
हम्म.
लॉकडाउन लोगों ने बहुत कुछ मीठा ट्राई किया है.
हाँ.
पैनकेक हो गए, केक्स हो गए. हमने आपको पैनकेक बनाते हुए भी देखा है, लेकिन वो तो बहुत ज्यादा उसमें शुगर और अनहेल्दी होता है. तो वो आप मतलब फैट खाती हैं फिर उसे बर्न करती हैं, या उसके
नहीं,
कुछ नए रेसिपी है?
that's the trick. See, Pranshu, now again, if we are talking about pancakes, we think maida and white sugar. Now,
ट्रू.
I completely have cut down white sugar and maida from my diet. I mean, as
वाह.
much as possible. I think I hardly eat maida or white sugar. So the
हम्म.
pancake, I mean, it's my mom's recipe. It's amazing. Now, whenever we feel like having pancakes, we also, so it is atte ka pancake. It is wheat pancake. So of course it becomes healthy. We
वाह.
use atta. And then instead of white sugar, we mix good or brown sugar in it. So again,
Oh,
a healthier option. You're replacing your white sugar with your brown sugar, or
so
good,
how does it
even
taste? Does it
healthier.
taste the same?
Amazing. Yes. And you can flavor it, can't you? You can flavor it with elaichi. Like a lot of people like that elaichi flavor. So आप उसमें इलायची क्रश
Flavors.
करके डाल सकते हो. A lot of people like cinnamon. So आप उसमें
Right.
दालचीनी क्रश करके डाल सकते हो. It gives an amazing flavor. And you have it just like pancake. You make it on a non-stick pan with hardly any butter, and it's super awesome.
Right.
And you can drizzle some honey, and you can include some fruits like a banana or
Mm-hmm.
an apple, and it's super yum. It's super yum. I mean, there's hardly any difference in taste between the normal pancake and a wheat and gudka pancake. So it's
Wow.
healthier, and it's very, very, very tasty. So
Wow,
yeah,
that's really amazing for the people, I mean, who have been craving sweet things and are avoiding it so that they don't gain weight and, don't take those fatty things. Now, for them, this is the best thing to do. Everyone should
yeah.
try this now. Even I'm
Yeah,
gonna try it.
definitely. Definitely, definitely. Even you
So,
should try it and you let me know.
for sure, I'm gonna try that. And does anyone have any questions for her about pancakes? People are missing Didi a lot.
I know, I
Yo,
know. God, we had
Ashlesha.
some. Ashley, call me Ash. Call me
Ash.
Ash.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Kaushal has too much, I mean, love for you.
Oh, so sweet. Hi, Junagadh. Visit Junagadh? Yeah, sure. Priyanshu, let's go to Junagadh.
Let's go, let's
We've
go.
got a
When are we planning the
invite.
trip? Yeah, we've got an invite. I'm gonna
Okay,
DM
Priyanshu,
them.
someone's asking how do you reduce belly fat? Now, another important thing I want to tell everyone, Pranshu, spot
Hmm.
reduction is not possible. Like if I think
Right.
I only want to reduce my belly, or if I
Hmm.
only want to reduce my arms, or if I only want to reduce, it doesn't happen. Spot reduction is not possible. So whenever you're going to lose weight, you're going to lose weight overall.
Overall.
You never really lose weight on one part of your body. So, and I think most of us struggle with belly fat, especially the women, and
Absolutely.
also the love handles, which are
Hmm.
like a huge issue for most of the Indians.
Hmm.
So, I think, see, it's important to do some kind of cardio activity for sure. Even if you're brisk walking, it's very important. And, just doing abs is not going to help. Some people will just do those, they'll just keep doing crunches and they'll be like, ye to kuch
Hmm.
nahi ho raha, I'm
कुछ
still
नहीं हो
not
रहा.
losing fat. But it's important that you do some kind of cardio activity which kicks in the fat loss, So
Right.
either you begin with skipping, either you begin with Surya Namaskars, or you do like a brisk walk, or people who do burpees do a lot of burpees, or you do
Hmm.
some kind of spot jumping. Um, get that metabolic rate going, get that, kind of push yourself and have your heart pumping. Now, once you reach that, that's when you start doing your abs. And
Hmm.
that's when you do, I mean, the basic simple belly exercises, which are your leg raises, where you raise your legs 90, 60, 30, and down.
30.
And similarly, you go 30, 60, 90. And then there is
Okay.
like a full leg raise, and you just keep repeating it. Start with like a set of 30, and you could go on to 50. Like you could do like three, four sets, whatever's comfortable. And of course, there are crunches for your upper tummy. So you would see like a lot of belly fat exercises on YouTube and
Hmm.
on a lot of these social media. But again, it's very important that you watch what you're eating, and you are also doing some kind of cardio activity. So
Right.
very important, yeah. And
There's a
uh,
question,
hmm,
Parul. Is
hmm.
this flour pancake healthy?
It is. See, if I'm having a flour pancake at 12 o'clock in the night, it
Hmm.
won't be healthy because I'm giving my tummy carbohydrates. And also another thing, I don't take carbohydrates post 7 o'clock. Like I don't take roti or rice or bread after 7 p.m. So but if I'm taking it right in the morning, I think it's super healthy because I'm giving my body, which has rested for so long and not eaten for so long, that kick. I'm giving it carbohydrates, so it gives me the much needed energy that I want.
Hmm.
And then plus both, good and atta also have their benefits, right? So I'm giving those necessary vitamins or supplements also to my body. So I think it's great if I'm having those pancakes in the morning. I
Hmm.
don't think it's giving any harm to my body. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Lovely. You have answer for everything. There's one question. How many
Hanji.
times we should eat pizza in a month? Wow. Some some really, I mean, foodie person wants to know this, I guess.
See, I think everyone can cheat once a week. I think we could always cheat for a Sunday lunch. That's what at least I try and do, like my Sunday lunch. I don't think about calories, I don't think about what I'm eating. So I think we could, but this is only if you're working out rest of the 6 days a week and watching what you're eating. If you're not doing that, then there is no point. So I think once a week cheating uh, is okay, I guess. If you're in a fitness routine, if you're taking care, and if all that week you've been careful of what you've eaten, and you've also tried an exercise, then a Sunday cheat meal, I think is great. Everyone should cheat on Sundays.
Wow. So, can Sundays be every day? I count Sunday as every day these days. So, 7 days is gonna be Sundays for me then.
Rancho, this is not for you.
Oh shit, man. All right, so like we've had enough of healthy conversation. Let me ask you something. Let's have a rapid fire round. What's it?
Okay,
Not
okay,
just about healthy tips and tricks. We'll have something different. Let's have something else also. Okay, so
okay.
I need to see you have had n number of interviews जहाँ आपने बहुत कुछ
Hmm,
बताया है अपने फैंस को
hmm.
इंटरव्यूज के द्वारा कि मतलब मेरे लाइफ में ये है हर चीज के बारे में बट आज
हाँ.
कुछ ऐसा बताएं जो किसी को नहीं पता है डीपेस्ट
Oh,
सीक्रेट ऑफ योर्स
very
कम ऑन
smart.
वी नीड टू नो
See,
या सी
listen, but the
नाउ
word
यू
secret and the deepest secret is still going to remain a secret, no? Why will I reveal it?
Yeah. No, in the live session, you cannot back off. That's the problem. See, in the interviews previously, when I used to interview you, आप उस time पे वो live तो था नहीं, आप रोक सकते थे कि
हाँ.
नहीं यार ये question मुझे answer नहीं है. But अभी तो live है. Everyone wants to know, right, guys? Who all
Well,
wants to know Parul's deepest secret?
my deepest secret, yeah. I think, again, I think I'll bust the myth because a lot of people think that I don't eat, that I must not be eating cake, that I must not be eating meetha. I just want to tell everyone that I eat everything and I love meetha. So I'm cheating almost like every second day with meetha. So yeah, that's like a secret. I'm like, out in the open and telling everyone. But of course, I make sure that I burn it and I balance it out some way. So yeah, that's one thing. And another thing, yeah, I don't know if people know Pranshu, but I am a science student who did hotel management. And from hotel
Wow.
management, I became an actor. So yeah, it's been quite a journey, but a very
Like
interesting one.
like your journey started from eating and making people eat with delicious things and that is what it is coming up actually मतलब आपने
But you
अपने
won't
health का
But you won't believe I was such a bad cook. Like, so I was never the one who got into the kitchen and cooked, okay? Like, even when I was at home, I was not one of those girls who was really interested in cooking or going to the kitchen. And imagine I reach hotel management, and we had this food and beverage production class almost every day.
right
And it was such a disaster, Pranshu. I used to be like the worst student of that class. I used to borrow
so
food from all the good chefs next to my
so
table.
how did this
And
happen today I mean every few days we see you cooking something so how did that I mean that fitness
I think that was this lockdown. I think made me do it because see, we were one family who didn't order from outside all through the lockdown. Like not even once we ordered food from outside. But obviously, since we were home, we were not getting out. We were all craving, right? So, like
right
craving for a pancake or craving for a pizza for that matter or a pasta.
right
So, that's when I decided I said it's time to get in the kitchen. If you want to eat, you have to cook. You've got no other option. that's when I
So
got into the
you
kitchen
had to
and
face the nightmare that you were running away from.
yeah, yeah, actually. So a lot of people were shocked. They were like, "Are you actually getting into the kitchen and cooking?" I was like, "Yeah, I am." And things have come out pretty amazing. So I think I quite like it. And then I tried like a few more things. So yeah.
That's really amazing. There is one Gujarati fan of yours who's been wanting to know the
Hmm.
best thing you've observed in Gujarati fans. What is it?
Gujarati fan.
Yeah, fans.
Well, I think I would just say that you all, like your food, how your food is very simple and very sweet. I think all of you guys are also very simple and very sweet. है ना,
That's
Priyanshu?
so sweet.
Like,
That's so
I
sweet.
think, yeah,
Absolutely. An amazing
most of
answer.
my Guju fans, I think they're all very simple because all
Right.
of us, I mean, we're all simple. We all come from simple families, and yeah, they're very sweet. I mean. Mostly we have a lot of food conversations again, like my Gujarati fans and me. So yeah, I would just say simple and sweet. Hi, Egyptian fan. Hi. Oh my God, we've got a fan from Egypt.
Egypt.
Hi,
Oh, wow.
hi. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I am from Haryana. Hi, namaste. Hello, hello.
Guys, apart from hi and hellos, you guys have time to ask questions to Parul. Like I wanted to know her deepest secrets. So what all you guys want to know? Come on, shoot up with your questions.
Yeah, yeah. Hi, Didi. Hi. Someone saying hello,
There's
baby.
yeah, that's what I mean. Some is saying these, some is saying baby. I mean, what's going on? Comment
Oh
on daily
God.
makeup on shoots. Doesn't it harm skin? Sorry.
Um, like I said, we already discussed that point.
Hmm.
That of course it harms skin because you're in makeup for like more than 12 hours. Um, so taking care of your skin is very important. Like I said, eating right is more important. Drinking a lot of water is very important. And after you come home after your shoot, taking off that makeup is most important. And yeah, I guess you just got to take care of yourself. What's your favorite food? My favorite food, everything meetha is my favorite food, but uh, I'm a very North Indian from heart, so I love my kadi chawal, I love my rajma chawal, I love my bhindi, bangan, everything. I mean, I love home cooked food. So yeah, I think Indian food is my favorite food. Totally. Matar paneer is one of
There
my favorite again.
there
So
are people who want to know about your show. There are people who want to know about your hair color. There are n number of questions shooting up actually.
So, my hair color, I got it recently done. Pranchu, again, I didn't touch my hair for the longest time. I didn't want to get into the routine of, doing hair color like every month. So,
Right.
this was again, but I think it's a pleasant change. I quite like it. And I went to this place called Uber Care in central Mumbai, and they did it for me.
Right.
And they did it exactly the way I
It
wanted it, and I've been getting like
it's
a lot of
lovely.
compliments for it. So, yes, that's my hair. So it's a
So
basic dark color with like blonde streaks in it.
blonde
So yeah,
shades, right, right,
yeah,
right.
yeah,
So there's
yeah.
a question, do you miss your freedom after being an actor?
Freedom. No, I don't. See, if you love what you do, then it's not like a job anymore, right? So I love what I do. And I think nothing gives me more happiness than being in front of the camera and being on a set. So this is my freedom. This is completely my freedom. One second. So
Okay,
yeah,
so
this
you
is
all
this is
hmm.
completely my freedom. So yeah, I don't feel I feel great. I don't think like destiny's completely brought me here. So I don't think I could be anywhere else and doing anything else. I love what I do.
That is amazing. You've always been so sweet, Parul. I mean, you have answers for everything, and that is so polite way. Whatever we have, whatever kind of question we have, either it's for health, either it's for your shooting, everything. I mean, I know I've been knowing you since a long time and seeing you shoot for 12 hours. Still, you were like so gentle, so kind, always. So
I
everyone, like
think,
there are n number of your fans who are saying we don't want to question anything, but only thing is that I love you, we love you. So a lot of fans are
oh,
like love you, love you. A lot of love is coming on your way.
oh, so sweet. I mean, I love you guys too. You know, I am what I am because of all of you and all the love that you pour on me. Thank you. You know, I'm really, really grateful. I think, Pranshu, this is what we earn, right? Uh,
Right.
uh, you know, I mean, no amount of awards or recognition gives you this happiness that this love you gives. So, and I think I don't know how I will reciprocate to all this love that I get from these guys, but I just want to say that thank you, Dilse, and I really appreciate all the love and you know all the blessings and all the good things that you say to me and say for me. So thank you. I just feel really blessed.
Okay, lastly, Parul, I mean,
Hanji.
one question that I just read, even I want to know that. When are you getting married? This was a question. So,
I am ready. Find me a good boy. I'm ready. Like
anyone
I've
there?
decided.
Hello.
So yeah, so just find me a boy, a good boy. Good is very important.
Good,
Good, nice
absolutely
human
good
being.
with the double
Yes.
inverted commas.
So absolutely, I'm absolutely ready. And yeah, so everything's planned. You know, I've got my outfit color sorted. I've got
Wow,
the
you
venue
have all the
sorted. I've got
planning
everything.
done. Okay, so we
Yeah,
need to find
only
a
the
guy.
boy is missing. Only the
The
boy.
main thing is missing. All right, Parul. So we've had an amazing conversation with you, and
Ditto.
yeah. So you are on this platform also that is Tring.
Someone saying I'm a
So
good boy.
um,
I'm a good
yeah. So we
boy.
have
Someone
questions
saying,
like how can
oh.
we get video shout out also. So
Hmm.
you're on this platform. So can you tell us about Tring, something about Tring also? So how did you join and how has the experience been and how it is going on? And
Well,
how convenient it is for people to get the shout outs from celebrities.
I think it's completely convenient. I think all you guys who are looking at, you know, sometimes it's so difficult to connect with actors and your favorite actors. You would
Right.
want birthday wishes from them. You would want to wish your friend, give them best wishes. You would want to wish your mom, dad a very happy anniversary. A
Right.
lot of parents are very, very fond of certain actors, you know, because they watch a lot of
Right.
shows.
Absolutely.
So, and sometimes, Priyanshu, most times for fans, they don't find a medium of how to connect with their favorite
Connect.
actors. So, I think Tring is
True.
one such medium which will help you connect to your favorite actors, and they would actually send you personalized video messages and personalized, like, you
Right.
know, which includes your name and, you know, which is very, very personal. It's like one to one. So I think you guys are doing
Absolutely.
a fabulous job. And I came onto Tring, I think, a couple of months back, thanks to you. And it's been
Very
a great
good.
experience, you know, because it's so nice, you know, even while I'm doing the video message, I'm kind of feeling it. And I already know that, you know, how excited and how happy the other person's going to
Other
be
person.
when he
Absolutely.
or she
Absolutely.
sees the video, you know, or shows it to like a particular friend, because most of the times, these videos are surprise messages, right? So
Right.
I think it's a great medium, and so all of you guys who are watching us right now, please get onto Tring, and you could request your favorite celebrities for any personalized messages for you or for your family or for your friends, and it's very convenient and it's super cool.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And you know, everyone loves you. I love you.
Oh, I
Thank you
love you
for
too.
your valuable time, Parul. I mean, you removed this much of
Pleasure.
time for us and your fans to share your fitness mantras, your pancake recipes, the new one, which I'm going to make it for sure. And then even loving, giving so much of love from your side. Thank you so very much for being on this platform, Tring, and even being, I mean, giving us this time to have a conversation with you.
Oh, thank you. I think it's my pleasure completely to connect with you, one.
Right.
And of course, I've been a part of Trink for some time now. I couldn't have said no. I never say no to the people I love. And of course, these beautiful fans, these beautiful fans, they've been requesting me for a live for a long time. So thanks to you, this happened because I don't know. I usually never get into this whole live thing, but I think it's been great. It was lovely chatting with you, and I think
So
mostly we.
probably next conversation will be a dance session then. We'll
ठीक
get
है
you doing dances.
ठीक
कुछ अलग कर लेते हैं अब तो.
ठीक है
Dancing and singing.
ठीक है and
I
probably we
won't be
can
singing.
add other people also who will also be dancing.
Yeah. Then Ridhima needs to be there to dance.
Yeah, totally,
Your
totally.
your your Divya Drishti cast has to be here then.
Yeah, that'll be fun. That'll be fun.
Okay, so we'll for surely have an amazing conversation again in future soon. So till
Yes.
then, we'll see you soon, and thank you so much for giving up your time and lots of love from your fans, me and Team Tring.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Had an amazing chat. I don't know how time flew. We are already, I think, oh wow, 50
It's
minutes.
almost, I guess, 50 minutes. We thought
Awesome,
we'll have a 30 minutes
awesome.
conversation.
Awesome. So yeah, lots of love to you and my best wishes with Trink and your entire team. You guys are absolutely sweet and very, very professional.
Thank
And I
you.
love to deal with professional people. It's so cool. Everything's sorted for you. Your life is sorted. So yeah, thank you and my best wishes. And I love all of you who are here, all of you from Pakistan, from Egypt, from of course Hamara Pyara Bharat Desh and from everywhere around the world. Thank you for
Right.
all the love and just keep shouting your love and blessings. That's all we need, right? And stay
All
safe,
right.
everyone. You know, the pandemic is still there, so stay safe, take care of yourselves and your families. And Priyanshu, hopefully, I
We'll
hope
catch
to
up
see you
soon.
soon.
We'll catch up soon.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye bye.
Okay, take care. Bye.
Lots of love. Take care.
Lots of love.
So, guys, thank you so much, everyone who, I mean, removed so much of time to even listen to our conversation and to be connected with Tring. So, likewise, I mean, today we had a conversation with Parul Chaudhary, but you can get personalized wishes from tring.co.in. Remember, tring.co.in. And you can get personalized wishes from your favorite celebrities. We have like 22,000 plus celebrities on Tring platform. So it is very convenient for you all to get a personalized wish, DM, or a video call also. So go for it. And I'll be sharing the IGTV link and all on the Tring account. So please go and watch. Whoever didn't get time to watch it, please do watch it again. Take care. Bye bye. Lots of love, everyone.